Hey, everybody, it's Rick Silva. We are going to do a live elevator pitch critique. If you're interested in having this done, it's $99. Go to One Referral Away, log in, watch the video, send it to me. I'll critique it just like this and then put it on my YouTube channel. So once again, Rick Silva, here we go, an elevator pitch critique. Just so you know how when I do this and I get the elevator pitch, I don't read it beforehand. I do this live so you guys can kind of see my thought process as we go through. So part one of the elevator pitch. Oh, by the way, we always want to, and let's see if I can zoom this in the best I can. We always want to have 160 to 180 words in your elevator pitch. This one's 143, letting me know it's a little short and I can add to it if I want to. So here we go. Part one of your elevator pitch is your name and company name. My name's Ralph Cella with One Solution Commercial Financial. Awesome. So part one is done. Part two is what do you do, sell, offer, specialize in? I specialize in AR financing and factoring, which is a form of funding that helps businesses who sell products or services to other businesses or government entities grow revenue rapidly by helping advance money against their repayment cycle. Grow revenue rapidly by helping advance money against the repayment cycle. Okay, so that's going to be the AR. I'm going to leave that one. Part three are benefits. So Ralph, as you're watching this video, I want you to remember, this is your name and company. This is what you do for your clients. This right here is benefits. So let me read this first and we'll see how it goes. I've helped companies more than triple revenue in a calendar year or less, offering them a way to fund growth in a predictable and forward-looking basis, ensuring, let's see what the typo is here. Yep. Basis, ensuring them borrowing certainty to cover the cost of expansion. This one here, Ralph, ensuring them borrowing certainty. This one here, that doesn't flow too well. I'm gonna make that yellow and have you maybe reword that. Also, if I take the color off of here real quick and say no color, rapidly by helping advance money against the repayment cycle, this one maybe could be a little bit more clear. I've talked to people that do what you do, so I kind of understand it, but the wording is a little confusing, but it's not bad. So this is pretty passable. So far we have, I'm Ralph Cella, One Solution Commercial Finance. I specialize in AR financing and factoring, which is a form of funding that helps businesses who sell products or services to other businesses or government entities grow revenue rapidly by helping advance. See, it just doesn't flow from here to here. I think it should be period, and then it should be a new sentence. I have helped companies more than triple revenue in a calendar year or less, offering them a way to fund growth in a predictable and forward-looking basis, ensuring them borrowing certainty to cover the cost of expansion. I'm going to say this is good and this is good. That yellow maybe could be a little bit more in quote unquote plain English. Now, part four has got to be word for word quotes that the members of the group are going to hear, of the networking group or whoever your network, they're going to hear it to make them think of you. So a perfect prospect for me, we're not looking for someone because you generally work, I believe you work with business owners. So a perfect prospect for me is I'm going to say a business owner. You can certainly change it. Now, what I'd also like to see here, Ralph, is a business owner with a company in XYZ to XYZ revenue. So I'm going to make that yellow. And I'm going to move this down. So a perfect prospect for me is a business owner with XYZ in revenue who you hear say, because again, we need word for word quotes. So no one, you're not getting, this is not a word for word quote. Somebody talk about struggling to bring on new clients due to inability to get a loan or running out of their own money. Okay. So I can't get a loan from my bank. Pretty simple. That's what you're going to hear them say. So we're going to delete this out. Being afraid their growth may affect their ability to, we are growing. So this one's gone. Has to be word for word quotes. You can see these are word for word. Considering investors or other forms of online lending to fund rapid growth. There you go. Now, what you also could add to this, Ralph, would be things like, I keep trying to get a loan from my bank. And maybe I haven't been in business long enough to get a loan. I'm a brand new business. I need a loan and banks aren't talking to me. My business credit's not that great. I can't get a loan. We're hiring. We need to buy equipment. I have a lot of money coming in through receivables, but I need short-term money now. So you can have 3 or 4 more if you want, because if you look down here again in the corner, we're at 146 words. You can get up to 160 to 180. So your elevator pitch is a little short. So you can add some more sentences, but there it is. I would say just these 2 yellow parts here, maybe make them a little bit more clear. Somewhere in here I put, for a perfect prospect for me as a business owner with XYZ size of company or XYZ type of company who you hear say, and there's your word for word quotes. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe if you're seeing it on YouTube. And if you want one of your own, go to onereferralaway.com. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.